Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Macroeconomics can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's analyze how shifting curves impact price levels and real output in the short run. First, an increase in net exports boosts aggregate demand. This shifts the AD curve to the right, which naturally pushes both the price level and the total real output higher. Boom! Next, a significant increase in productivity shifts the short-run aggregate supply curve to the right. This specific movement increases the real output but actually works to decrease the overall price level. Both shifts increase real output, making it certain. Conflicting price level changes make the final level indeterminate. Therefore, option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given facts, and check your steps.